Akwaba and found Bragan and Sem TVGH so what friend me Ajua searching.
Ebusanfo air drip machines na NPP aban edeba yese yemfa nya kwan no ebusanfo NDC baba no na fedi omodu ye Galamsay ebusanfo mfonyi ye twakire mu eye anopeya ni twa no ewo Suaman Constituency Dadieso ayo Western North region ebusanfo DC a oho eye honorable obo Vasco enna ede eye drip machines na sabio NPP aban Edda so ho da yesa yede baniri ayi akwan yi no honorable Vasco Suaman Constituency DC afede na ode Galamsay anu peye na etwa sanfoni na yedi omo ntete du machi kobenso medru site ho na e ka so mo koye kwan enne kosie yikodu ya sa Galamsay na ho dikudu it's very very unfortunate. It will ye koi anasi by. Adintina a buying be a ba. No was to die a passe. In so to a quine essay. And nuncium fan fidiumra a yedia quine, yedia quine. Nasta said a buy for buyer. Nasa by an affidin fidia be ya quine Galamsay now they would do. And this buying a dear hammer. I'm very disappointed as a Ghanaian citizen. Then be Shamokapa.
Okachem said there's a big hand on your party. Odike yetimi nya hwemo. So say me bo me o meyi na no. Na utumi atimi nya dan fontre in Kumasi to tell me say we ma on fale. Ampana Jemensa ayakokwasa egumani mu asese me mentima on fale. Wabra ma kwa election da under yewura afarijan. You see, ade bia nipa wo ya so wan fa clear conscience anya esu so na baba. Political parties no, they are not serving the interests of the nation. So they don't have clear conscience. And partisan democracy, ebe se Ghana, ebe ma Ghana titia pansam. Africa country bienwa, wadi multi-party democracy, aye adwuma wenya resource. What they do, they say, we do the back and call of our colonial masters. Jeye nyafri na dina de tu besi no. Aye the continuation of colonization. It will not divide our mind by virtue of a political model and ideology. So when I'm first one, because I be and obenya functional illiterate. Also a professor or trade where wine. No, the catcher say, I say we crowd I'm like a crasani. Tell you near Guinea, Yadibe Kavu Yania democratic system. A babu, I see union government. The book on my throne. And the only way be ye sign my way. If you not Kagana bomb, say your Fuba Kumwa, because we cannot develop this country with this divided front. My brother.
Yes.
And not let me tell Vice President social media will say or condemn the act, no. Now so I congratulate your friend say you're winning NDC candidate. No matter what my say. And nama yempen yadi yaseche. And nama ichiri yadi yaseche. At one breath, who condemn the malfeasances and the violence characterized these elections. At another breath, now also congratulate. Wait, with him. Stage manage. Yeah, kwa yebi. May I thought it. We move by Adam Sadi. We emphasize from you, man. The reason being that, and this is transfer kwetia. One fine. And I go for the Nipa 9 who Techimai. What else? And I know. Elections, blah 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 blah. Yes, so every year so yes, we are quite heavy. Forgetting say you don't gonna phone in here, yeah, because the cover constitution be ye lose your factories, ye lose your BBR. The current democratic dispensation way,
yes.
So we are back in bar with Ghana. Once ye lose everything, including discipline. And I kind of want your discipline financially, morally, BBR, your discipline. And look at the way yeleta environment.
No, constitution.
Yes, I mean the constitution. I say, order the steps of the people. And I enter constitution, constitution, and the guiding principles of the people. But when it is promulgated on the premises of selfishness, Ghana for now be selfish. It will be already as against the nation.
Yeah.
The Constitution is the enemy of the great nation. Okay? Mammy, how I come see this work made by journalists, save you, tip on cotophobia. Or no, you're gonna need your 12-hour baby. Or reserve the right to go and even witness. Now, Mutua, or compare the and some basa.
Yeah, to a former minister on to me.
Everybody has the right to go there. IDP, me adam for pano no. Why you do me? Ah, now put for the now. Obedience Sagunachi. Now, Baba say I can form because a brave Naku for pencil BC. And you resetting agenda na way. Well, lies you are resetting agenda. I'm on the other country Ghana for Yenya Mujidia to Abamamo. Some of the SID. At the media, the Americans say, and yes, sir, about condemnation. Mameno, Parliament now or call, say, Obia one winning election under duress. And not proper winning. While winning election under duress. Ah, no, one of Kruma. Because election, they hear the Dika power, you can't free and far out here. You can't say free and fast anything.
We are to a banner with no will now or a order, a war, now be intimidation and
free near say. I am free from any violence. Bakukrasi, I will say to me, Tabanum. Free Nedicano. I just say the people, everybody there must be protected. I don't know if you officer me call freely, my behavior freely. Any decay.
Okay.
Fair near, say among all the candidates, level playing field. Maybe I thought you said
yes.
It is a free now, man. How do we say a level playing field? No,
I said your mom to a bano be any who are complaining.
My brother, and a vice president about complaining. Who catch him so be uncomplaining?
Caso be a obi or kotoba ya one tishy, yank on
it must be 100% free.
Now, why do you get that?
And then there's a way then. Say, young sir, it
reasonably free.
I was saying free from all forms of violence.
Okay.
Now, much that packet tax. My mania police for say, Mukwa, Muna Falcon, Naya Ashin. That is what happened.
I think so.
That is what actually happened. President, police, before so move brief and sign your coalition with national security briefings. The idea you need to how do you juxtapose the two? Actions are called so any dear wo president, womo, ebe kenu bedin kra, and san womo kono.